Today, this video is going to be about how to be a sharp gardener, keeping the edge on your trimming tools. You can see that I've got 1, 2, 3 chainsaws, so I'll be using the round fine or rat tail file to sharpen this. I'll show you the technique. I'll make it very quick. And I have the other edge tools which require the flat fine metal file, and these all basically have the same technique. I've also got out my machete, a great tool for cutting cactus, but even this pole hedge trimmer requires the same stroke. So I'll go ahead and just show you very quickly the technique for sharpening, and I'll be done with it. We've got the round or the rat tail file to sharpen the chainsaw. You definitely want to wear gloves. It can get very, very sharp, and you want to mark it with a piece of tape or something so when it comes back around you know that you've already sharpened. But essentially you've got the teeth and there's a groove here. They're side to side or at different sides. So you got this one on this right side and over here on the left, and you want to always come forward when you're sharpening it. So you get it in there and you pull it. And you do this about 5 or 6 times until you start seeing it shine. And you can see it. I don't know if you can see the shininess, but it's starting to shine. So let me get to another one that's got the same angle, and here we go. You do that. You can see it's got a nice shiny point to it. So this guy is sharp and ready to cut. You want to do these as well. They're on the opposite side. I think my hand's in the way, but here we go. Come in and only go in one direction, and that's in the forward. That's going to put your edge on it here, and we'll do the same here by the tape, opposite side. So you notice the teeth are on opposite. You want to use the round file. Obviously this is not for the advanced person. This is for the gardener who wants to get his tools sharpened, but this is definitely the technique to sharpen your chainsaw. So we're going to move on. Got my flat fine file out for metal, and you can see that the blades are more or less the same, so I'm certainly not going to sharpen all of them. And this is the pull trimmer here. So technique for a good way to file and get started is to always go in one direction, going down at an angle, put that edge on, and go this direction, and we're looking pretty good. And I just want to show you something. This is my favorite trimmer. It's got this wonderful handle that rotates as you pull, so there's really no drag, no blistering or anything like that that you can feel. So I've really sharpened it a lot. The blade used to come to here, just short of this, so about stuck out about 1/8 of an inch. Oh, I don't know, an 1/8 or 3/8 of an inch more. I've filed it so much. I've had it for about, I don't know, 20 years. Love this guy, and it's been really true to me. Love it. It's nice and sharp now, though. So now the question is, does this make me the sharpest gardener in my neighborhood? Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope I helped you out here a little bit with your garden tools.